Machines help us by automating repetitive tasks, allowing workers to focus on more complex and creative activities. Automation reduces human error and increases efficiency, particularly in manufacturing and assembly lines. For instance, robotic arms can assemble products with precision, consistency, and speed that human workers cannot match, significantly boosting production rates and quality. Modern agricultural machines, such as GPS-guided tractors and precision seeders, help farmers plant crops with exact spacing and depth. This precision agriculture technology ensures optimal use of seeds and fertilizers, leading to better crop yields and resource efficiency. Drones and sensors monitor crop health, allowing farmers to address issues promptly, thereby increasing productivity and sustainability. Construction machines like excavators, bulldozers, and cranes have revolutionized the building industry. These machines can move large quantities of materials quickly and safely, reducing the time and labor needed for construction projects. Advanced machinery also ensures structures are built to exact specifications, improving the quality and safety of buildings and infrastructure. Automated warehouses and transportation systems enhance logistics and supply chain management. Conveyor belts, sorting systems, and autonomous vehicles speed up the movement of goods within warehouses and between distribution centers. This streamlining reduces delivery times, lowers costs, and improves inventory management, helping businesses meet customer demands more efficiently. Machines in the medical field, such as MRI scanners, surgical robots, and automated lab equipment, have significantly improved diagnostic and treatment capabilities. Surgical robots enable minimally invasive procedures with high precision, reducing recovery times and improving patient outcomes. Automated lab equipment speeds up testing processes, ensuring quicker diagnosis and treatment of diseases. In manufacturing, machines like CNC, computer numerical control machines, and 3D printers have revolutionized production processes. CNC machines provide precise and repeatable manufacturing capabilities, reducing waste and increasing the quality of finished products. 3D printers enable rapid prototyping and the creation of complex parts, accelerating product development and customization. Machines play a crucial role in improving safety in hazardous work environments such as mining, chemical plants, and nuclear facilities. Remote-controlled and autonomous machines can perform dangerous tasks, reducing the risk to human workers. For example, robotic systems can handle toxic chemicals or work in high-radiation areas, ensuring the safety of personnel. Large-scale farming operations benefit immensely from the use of modern machinery. Combine harvesters, planters, and irrigation systems increase the efficiency and scale of farming activities. These machines enable farmers to cultivate and harvest large areas of land quickly, ensuring a steady supply of food to meet the demands of growing populations. In the energy sector, machines help optimize the production and distribution of electricity. Wind turbines, solar panels, and hydroelectric generators convert natural resources into energy efficiently. Advanced machinery also manages power grids, ensuring a stable and reliable supply of electricity. This optimization is crucial for supporting industrial activities in daily life. Educational institutions utilize machines and technology to enhance learning experiences. Interactive whiteboards, computers, and educational software provide students with access to a vast array of information and interactive learning tools. Virtual and augmented reality machines offer immersive learning experiences, making education more engaging and effective. Machines have transformed transportation systems, making travel faster, safer, and more efficient. High-speed trains, automated metro systems, and electric vehicles reduce travel times and environmental impact. Advanced traffic management systems use data from sensors and cameras to optimize traffic flow, reducing congestion and improving safety on roads. Communication technologies such as smartphones, computers, and the internet have revolutionized how we interact and share information. Machines facilitate instant communication, enabling remote work and collaboration across the globe. This revolution has opened up new opportunities for businesses and individuals, fostering innovation and connectivity. Machines are essential for space exploration, allowing us to explore and study distant planets and celestial bodies. Rovers, satellites, and spacecraft are equipped with advanced technology to conduct experiments and gather data. These machines help us understand the universe better and develop technologies that can benefit life on Earth. Machines play a vital role in monitoring and protecting the environment. Sensors and drones collect data on air and water quality, wildlife populations, and deforestation rates.